Auntie, buli ito. Empat only. 4 only. 5 ringgit, right? 15. Ito nga, 10 ringgit ang is. Ano ba ito? Suha? This one is sour?
Ay, this is not right.
Pwede yan bukas mo kainin. Auntie, isa to.
I want the right. Okay,
Makulit to si Janet na bumili. Huwag mong hawakan, huwag mong pisilin.
oh. I don't know how to. No, one
Ito, oh.
brown. One brown is right already.
Yeah. What? Yeah, that one is the color is brown. That one ripe already.
Oh, ano daw?
10 rin.
How much?
11. Ah, how much? 11 binili mo. Mine is 10, right? $5 and I give you some more. Want this one? Ayan, prutas. Vitamin C. Thank you.
Bakit dami mong pera?
Ayan, thank you.